If your front panel headphone jack isn't working on your PC, don't worry because this is a common issue that can be fixed in just a few minutes. Because in today's video, we are going to show you several troubleshooting methods to get your front headphone jack working again. So the first thing that you need to do is to check the headphone connection. Make sure that the headphones are fully inserted into the front panel audio jack. Remove the headphone plug and reconnect it firmly until it clicks into place. If possible, test your headphones on another device to confirm they are working properly. If the headphones work elsewhere, continue to the next step, which is setting the correct playback device. Right-click the speaker icon in the bottom right corner of your taskbar and select Sound Settings. Under Output, make sure your headphones are selected as the active playback device. If multiple audio devices are listed, choose your headphones and test the audio again. And remember to enable the front panel jack detection. So in this step, you need to open the audio software installed in your computer. This is commonly known as Realtek Audio Console, Realtek HD Audio Manager, or sometimes another audio utility provided by your motherboard manufacturer. And then look for the settings related to the front panel detection. Connect your settings and device advanced settings. Make sure the front panel audio is enabled and save any changes and test the headphone jack are again here. And then do not forget to update the audio drivers. I want you to press the Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device and choose Update Driver. What will happen is you need to select the Search automatically for drivers and follow the prompt. After the update completes, restart your computer and check whether the front audio jack is working. And then, one of the main methods that I usually use is checking the BIOS settings. Why? Because if you check the BIOS settings, you need to restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings and look for the onboard audio settings and verify that the onboard audio is enabled. And then if that's the case, save your changes and restart the computer. And then finally, you need to run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. Open Settings and then go to the System and Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and run the Playing Audio Troubleshooter. What will happen is Windows will scan for audio issues and attempt to fix them automatically. Basically, these are going to be the most effective ways to fix a front panel headphone jack that's not working. In most cases, the issue is caused by incorrect audio settings, outdated drivers, or a loose front panel audio connection. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.